How to fix WhatsApp calls not working on Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the search bar and type WhatsApp. Now simply tap on the search icon. Tap on WhatsApp Messenger and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply go back to the home screen and open up settings on your device. Now scroll down. Now click on apps. Tap on app management. Now tap on the search bar and type WhatsApp. Now tap on permissions. Now tap on follow. Now tap on phone and enable allow. Now simply go back. Now tap on microphone. Now give the permissions and simply go back. Again go back. Now tap on force stop. Now go to storage usage and tap on clear cache. Now restart WhatsApp. I hope this should fix your issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.